everyone, my name is Saman. Today I am making yummy chocolates. First thing is, we need to wash our hands neatly. Very important thing to wash your hands. Next thing is, you need to wear apron. You don't have apron, you can use any cloth. Don't worry. Main ingredients are biscuit powder, condensed milk, cocoa powder. First we need to take a biscuit ball and then 1 cup biscuit powder. That's the tablespoon of cocoa powder. Next 1 of tablespoon condensed milk. Only you need to mix with hand only. It is good for your exercise for your fingers. See, nice smell is coming. See, yum chocolates. Yesterday only my ma'am taught me to how to make chocolate. Thank you, ma'am. I am making 3 chocolate balls. 1 for me and 1 for my father, 1 for my mother. If you have so many of members, you can make so much of chocolate ball. Okay. You know, it's so fun activity. Mummy chocolates are yummy.